have here someone asking for DOCAJ or something? Because someone, he want to pay me money for a case or a warrant from someone. I cannot understand it. Can anyone come to help?
Sure. Give me a second. I'll be right there. It's what?
Listen,
You like the family?
just listen. If you're participating, first of all, just show me your passport and then place your car on the track. We do not have that
Would
much
you
time,
like
you
to
know.
join a new family?
Callum.
Yeah.
Just see,
Can
if
go
you
on?
are
If you want, you can join the Don's family.
if you are participating, just show me your passport. If
Okay, if you
not,
leave
that's
your
okay.
yeah. Like if you leave your family, I'll invite you. It's Randy, the vice governor.
It's quite fast.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
No, I have to
jeez.
max it out.
Oh, shit. Okay. Thank you for calling, because I was actually really interested in buying that.
What will the moving cars onto the track now?
I like the move it more.
Guys, if you're participating, just show me your passport.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Anyone who is participating, just show me your passport first.
Yes. 1 minute.
Who I want who I should show you?
To me. Again, sorry for that.
No problem.
Guys, if you're not gonna show me your passport,
I showed you.
Motherfucker.
I won that shit.
show me your passport.
Oh, then I got it from the battle pass then.
This battle pass? Let me have
Rosie,
it.
how
Yeah.
copy?
Either I won them or I got them from battle passes. Either one. I don't really buy cars.
Anyone from Hecha, how copy?
You got me down now, yeah?
Supercars and supercars.
Yeah, Rosie, can you please come to the gates real quick?
Listen.
We have
Everyone,
someone joining.
everyone who's participating, just put your car on the track, please.
Checking passports if you want to enter.
Guys, if you're participating, just set your car on the tracks fast.
Thanks, bro.
No problem, big dog.
Yeah, I know. They'll find out.
The M4 Touring, that Delta.
Guys, could you please do some work?
Yeah, that's a pretty good one.
Gabriel, listen to me. Just put the barricade on the same position, okay? Right there.
Yeah, I'll go.
Right there, not here, right there.
Yeah, I know.
Same color as the Bugatti. Bruh.
Win or lose, it's participating. That's what I care about. Is us being here. Look at Callum's here. Callum's gonna fuck shit up, bro.
Have a look when I rev.
I'm going for Callum. Hey, Callum, shake and bake. Shake and bake, Callum.
Yo, you are.
Have you guys do encashment?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's done.
Brother, you have to show me your passport. If you want to participate, show me your passport.
Yes, Ahari, they already did encashment. Give me. Oh, you guys already did? Oh.
Yeah, you need.
Okay, listen. Everyone, USS come to me. USS come to me.
Yeah,
USS
Yaka
come
is
to
taking
me.
care of it. Not an issue.
USS come to me.
You see how
USS come
sick
to
this
me.
shit looks in first person, looking to your left and looking to
Polsky,
your right.
come
seeing a
here,
Bugatti
Polsky.
and a motherfucking
Yeah, listen to me.
Lamborghini
So
fucking
we are just
Yazda.
gonna do one lap. Okay, there's too many cars.
Yep.
We cannot handle that. So what we are gonna do, we're gonna tell to him that put their cars right here, and after that we are gonna make a straight line of barricades beside them. Okay, so they just have to complete one lap, and whoever hit that barricade first is gonna win. That's it, normal. Just tell everyone, tell everyone that put the car up right, a little bit up, so we can just make a stop line with barricades. Did you get it?
Okay.
Just do it, do
Yeah,
it.
kinda.
Tell them, go. Tell to everyone.
Alright. One lap.
Guys, listen. You have to drive your car a little bit away so we can make a finish line, you know, to make it fair.
Okay, sure.
Guys, please drive a car a little bit away so we can make a finish line.
Riley, how copy?
Guys, just drive a car a little bit away
Drive
so
up.
we can make a finish line.
Drive up.
Oh, Kikode.
A little bit more. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's okay.
चार्जर से इनका फ्री
Charger नहीं
You're good.
साउंड कट कर
You can have it. You can.
I'm gonna get back, fool. I'm gonna get back and give them all head start because they're gonna need it.
Damn.
Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna lose. I just know I'm gonna lose. So
We just don't know which machine is going to
Alright.
kill it.
Any other
let's see which Bugatti can stay
HRT
in the track,
available
'cause they're
besides
goddamn
me
so
and
fast, they
Yesta?
might
I
fly
need
out.
to
They
start
might
opening
fly out on the
recruitment.
damn track.
Just put one more barricade right here. The same barricade. Put one more barricade right here. Put one more barricade right here.
Put a barricade, Frankie.
Joshua, how?
Hey, premium gas ain't cheap, motherfuckers. Hurry up.
I look, he wasn't expecting.
Rosie, tough round.
So is that the finish line?
Guys, that's so bad.
I'm
That's
just
so
gonna
bad.
smack into that
That's bad.
shit.
Align with
Joshua,
that
Don,
one.
how?
My car is going to get destroyed today.
Align the car, bro. Oh, sorry. Align the barricade, please.
Me, you, and the first 5 cars on the right side.
Okay,
have it the worst when we turn.
shut up. Okay, guys, listen to me, everyone. You just have to do one lap, and after one lap, everyone can hear me.
We can't hear him.
You can't hear you, Ali.
Guys, yeah, I know. Everyone have to do just one lap. Whoever hit that barricade first is gonna win.
Got it.
Go away with little bit more. Okay, everyone is just gonna do one lap. Whoever hit that barricade first, he's gonna win. That's it, normal.
Okay.
Everyone is gonna just do one lap. Whoever hit that barricade first, he's gonna win. We are gonna do just one lap. Whoever hit that barricade, he's gonna win. Okay, that's it, normal. You guys can start at when you're gonna hear the shot. Okay, you can just
shoot or what? How are we gonna? Start?
Yeah.
Are you gonna shoot? Are you gonna
Yes,
shoot?
yes. You can start when I'm gonna shoot.
This good barricade. Yeah, much better.
Not the taser.
Just use a revolver. It will be a lot.
Guys, put barricade one right there. We're just gonna get ramped with the cars. Put one barricade. Put one barricade. Oh, that's okay.
It won't let me put any barricades down, so I can't put any down.
Behind, we won't get rammed.
Oh, fuck.
Yippee!
Fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. That's it.
I'm the third place. I'm in the third place.
No. I see that. His name is Anas.
Hey, Ali, move the barricades and have the first 3 cars come over here.
Yes,
And have the guys
yes,
stand
yes,
next to them.
yes.
So take a picture.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay,
stand next to
okay.
me.
So yeah,
Really
Now
bad.
listen, I have the winner. I have the winner. It's Anas.
No, but so it
It's
looks
Anas.
cool, you know. Have the first three people, 1, 2, and
No,
3
no,
with
no,
their
no, no,
cars.
no, 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 no. That's it.
Take a picture and post it.
Anas, you're the winner, bro.
can
You're
you
the
move
winner.
it?
Come
No,
out.
bro.
Come out.
What?
You're the winner.
Yes, I know. Like,
Just
I wanted to take a picture with the car, so.
Yeah, we can do it after,
move
but I have to pay the money first.
Ah, okay, okay.
Of
There you
course
go,
the
brother. There
Chirons
you
are
go.
gonna win.
Thank you.
Enjoy. And now we can take a picture if you want.
I think he left straight away.
Guys, can anyone just come there so we can take one picture? Just anyone, can everyone come there, please?
Of course, it's the 3 Bugatti.
Please.
Of course.
No worries, no worries. Everyone. Right there, right there, right there.
Yeah.
No, guys, come out the car, come out the car. Just one picture, just one picture.
Okay.
Go there. I'm just gonna take one picture. Yeah, you can with me, no worries. Yeah, that's it. Thank you everyone. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you,
Get
guys.
back to the cars, boys.
Okay. Have a good day, guys.
Oh.
Ali, can I have 20,000 for participating?
Nah, you do not help me, bro. You just participate. You can even win 150k, but you don't. So it
I
doesn't
helped you.
matter. Yeah.
I helped
No,
you.
no, you don't. You didn't.
I took a picture.
No.
I posted it. I posted it on Life Invader. Look at.
Guys, just let me do a last race and then we can leave.
One more last race.
Pictures. There you go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then Gabriel is 2, no? So we are, I think so, 6 people. 6 people.